Hi folks, I'm up at the cabin I built on Big Sandy Lake years and years ago, and it's an interesting structure. The the main part of the cabin is an 1880s log cabin from Lake Mills, Iowa. It's 28 feet long and 24 feet wide. It's got an interior log wall that you can see here on the end of the building, and it's never been stained. They applied some boron preservative to it, and it seems to be holding up really well. Of course, the logs are all oak, and that helps a lot. This bottom log here has got some deep checks and some failed chinking here, which we'll have to take care of. But this porch is really something to behold. These are all oak logs, and the design for it came from the owner, who said he's seen this type of thing in Norway, and there's actually concrete piers underneath these rocks that hold it up, and all the timbers are oak and were cut out with a chainsaw. So this porch was put on 7 foot wide in conjunction with the kitchen, which is a different structure that came from Stetsonville, Wisconsin, and those are all pine logs, and they're holding up really well, even though we didn't extend the overhang out very much. On the second story, we did almost a full-length dormer, shed roof dormer on the backside, and in keeping with the owner's Norwegian heritage, he had us do these funky little designs on the ends of the fascia board. Up there we got board and batten siding, but the gables on that part of the house are actually all log. These are frame gables here, and we've got board and batten siding on them. But the doors in here were all handmade, and I got to show you what the inside of it looks like. Oh, I like the handles.
LPN and for a nursing home for 35 different nursing homes for 35 years.
I asked Dale if it was okay if I did a quick video
Sure.
for my YouTube followers. So this is the kitchen, which is the building from Stetsonville. It's all shiplap ceiling on the inside, and I totally forgot about the doors we made here. They turned out pretty cool. The flooring, we framed the floor. Also, there's huge I-beams down in the basement from that. Well, we got a bunch of old I-beams from my friend Stuart Carlton. Put them down here. That one there's got a big timber on it that goes up to the second floor, and we put all reclaimed flooring down here, and so we got 2 layers of flooring. We got like a subfloor And then we got this old flooring on top of it. And in here, we've got a bunch of old reclaimed flooring, tongue and groove 2x6 that I think came out of a lumberyard in Mankato that was taken down 25 years ago. And here's the article in the Lake Mills Graphic from August 16th, year 2000, which is when we took the building down. There's the family, the Martinsons. Anyhow, the steps here are done with 3x12s that we got from the same fella that we got the I-beams from. And here's the dormer upstairs. That's all 1x8 and 1x10 shiplap. So anyhow, this is the whole inside. The windows were actually handmade by the friend of the owner. So I think these are all plexiglass. But they never did any trim work around them. Never did the casing, but they got the windowsills in and everything ready to go. So anyhow, yeah, I think we sold this project to the Mike Millers and his wife year after we took it down in 2021. And anyhow, it's really held up well, and it's really appreciated by the people that own it now. So thanks for watching, folks.